Today I'm going to show you how to type in Telegram in the simplest possible way, even if you've never used the app before. This is a quick beginner-friendly guide, so whether you're sending a message to a friend, joining a group chat, or just learning how Telegram works, you'll be able to follow along easily. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Telegram on your phone or computer and go to the chat where you want to type. This could be a private message, a group conversation, or any chat that you already have open. Once you're inside the correct chat, look toward the message area at the bottom of the screen. This is where all your typing happens. Now tap or click on the box that says write a message. This is very important because it makes sure your cursor is inside the chat field and ready for text input. If you don't select the message box first, anything you type may not appear where you want it to. Once the cursor is active, you can start typing your message using your keyboard. Go ahead and type whatever you want to send. You can write a short reply, a full sentence, or even a longer message depending on what you need. Telegram works just like most other messaging apps, so as you type, your words will appear right inside the chat field. If you make a mistake, you can always use backspace to delete and correct it before sending. After you finish typing your message, look for the blue send button. On Telegram, this button is usually located near the message box and it becomes the final step to deliver your message. Click or tap the blue send button and your typed message will be sent instantly to the chat. And that's it. You've now learned how to type in Telegram and send your message successfully. It really only takes 3 simple steps. Open the chat, click the message box, type your message, and press send. Once you get used to it, the process becomes second nature. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more quick software and app guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.